Tangible heritages in Begusarai, ghats and river fronts such as Simria, Rajendra Bridge area. The ghats on the Ganges, especially Simria Ghat, are important riverfront places used for the ritual bathing and large gatherings. Recent riverfront development projects and local improvements have drawn attention to these riverbank spaces all over the country. Temples and shrines, notable examples include Nolakha Temple of Begusarai town. It is in Bisanpur area adjacent to Begusarai town. And other local temples also, Shakti Peeth sites such as Jamangla Garh, Mandir, which are important both architecturally and continuing places of worship and pilgrims. And then Begusarai Museum, of course, the district museum houses archaeological finds, terracotta toys, ancient coins, idols, manuscripts, spanning more to Pal period and even Muslim periods onwards, later periods also. These collections document material culture from Begusarai's long history in continuity. Other small college and private museums, such as in Begusarai, GD College, Begusarai, uh, there is a very beautiful museum uh, that has been propounded, established by the great eminent national level scholar, Professor R.K. Chaudhary, O.P. Jaiswal, and other eminent scholars, Dr. Akhlesar Kumar, uh, mm, Dr. Fuleshwar Singh. Everybody has got a contribution in that. So that also include and keeping up several uh, very significant archaeological pieces in that museum. Then archaeological remains, pottery and coins. Intangible heritage in Begusarai. Intangible heritage covers non-physical traditions, practices, performing arts, rituals, social customs, the things people do and pass on, such as Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja is prominently performed in Begusarai also. Uh, mm, mm, there are important rivers, Ganges, River Ganges, Gandak, Balan, Budi Gandak, and several other rivulets or in ponds. They perform this Chhat Puja. And allied with that, there are several famous songs. You must be knowing our Sarda Sinha, uh, Padma Shri, and later on Padma Vibhushan was also conferred. Now she is no more. She also belongs to Begusarai. So her songs are identical to Chhat festival, uh, very popular all over India. Folk festivals, seasonal customs, Sama Chakwa, Jat Jatin. Dr. Anil Patang is there. He has staged it throughout the country and earned fame in that. Chaurchan Puja, Aghaniya Baishakha Chhat, and several other uh, mm, uh, folk dramas, folk songs, uh, which are just transcending from generation to generation, even to the present time. Kathak Kali dance, Padma Shri Sudama has been awarded by the president for this famous Kathak dance performer. He lives in Begusarai, and he is imparting training to the younger generation also. Likewise, oral traditions, songs, and craft knowledge, all such aspects are included in this heritage.